guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is gonna be a skincare video. So today's video is gonna be about my updated skincare routine. I did a video like this I think 2 months back. So I'm here with my current skincare routine, and the products that I have with me are all of Mamaearth. So this is their vitamin C range. You guys know how much I love their vitamin C Illuminate face serum. I have used, this is like my second bottle, और अभी ये इतनी बची है because let's be honest, this is like very budget friendly and really effective serum for your face. And vitamin C is like always good for your skin. It helps clarifies your skin and maintains the pH balance of your skin. Okay, मैंने पहले भी Mamaearth के साथ काफी videos किए हैं, but if this is your first time watching any Mamaearth skincare video, I'm gonna tell you guys that Mamaearth is an Indian brand, so this is like great news for all of us, and they are all natural, pet friendly. The best part is that whenever you purchase from Mamaearth, they plant a tree on your behalf. Isn't that so cool? Okay, now let's come to today's video. Now the first step that I follow is obviously I wash my face using Mamaearth vitamin C foaming face wash. I love their face washes. I have used one more before, but this one is like really good. It will give you it will take away all your extra oil on your skin जो कि हमें सुबह उठ के आ जाता है, या maybe if you are using it after you have done removing your makeup, it will just take away all the dirt and all the oil that is on your face, but still leave your skin a bit smoother. I don't know if you, I wish I could show you my skin, I wish you could touch it, but this is actually very soft. The good part about this face wash is that it comes with a scrubber. You can see in the video how I'm using it. You just press it and you just scrub your face very gently with it, and it will do its job very nicely. Now the second step is a toner. I have been doing this skincare from last 3 weeks now, and I have been loving the results. So this toner, I mean, if you're not using any toner in your routine, do try this because it actually tightens your pores, and which is all we want, right? We just want younger looking skin, and it will give you that. Like, washed my face. Now I'm gonna follow other steps in front of you guys, in front of this screen. Okay, so you take a bit on the cotton like this, and you just dab it into your skin. You don't have to rub it, just dab it like this. After you're done applying the toner ना, आपको खुद ही feel हो जाएगा that my pores are a little tighter, and it does feel nice. The next step is obviously a face serum. I have talked a lot about this face serum, so I'm not gonna go in detail about this in this video, but you take like 2-3 pumps of it and just take it and dab it. Again, you're not supposed to rub a serum, you're just supposed to dab it. So just spread it evenly to your face and start dabbing it. Done with the serum. Just because it's a sponsored video, that's not the reason I'm saying all these things. I actually believe in these products, and if you follow me, like if you're following me from the long time, so you know that I would only promote the products that I really believe in. So yeah, last step of our skincare routine is this vitamin C face milk. Now if you're someone who needs extra layer of moisturization, then definitely add this in your routine, because this is like a really good face milk. It will give you one extra layer of hydration and moisturization that your skin needs. So my skin tends to get a little drier in the winter season. I think काफी लोगों के साथ होता है ये. So I think this is perfect for this time. Now when the serum is a little bit absorbed in my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this face milk. First of all, can we appreciate the packaging of this whole range? I freaking love this. Okay, so you just pump a little face milk. This is how the texture looks like. Love it. It's very, very, very soft. I'm telling you, you will really, really like it. Okay, so you just spread it evenly again. And now I'm gonna go and massage it into my skin like this. Use like 2 fingers and massage it on your forehead in circular motions, and again with the cheeks go in like upward circles. And on your neck also always go upwards, because अगर आप इस तरह से मोशन करोगे तो आपका स्किन लूज होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, which we do not want. And sometimes when I have extra time and when I am in a mood of, you know, serious skincare, so I also like to do like this kind of massage. So it basically tightens your skin from here. So you basically do this and yeah, like this. And the same with the same thing, you can do it to your cheekbones also. You do your massages regularly like this, you will see a difference. Your skin will feel tighter and younger, my friend. And to complete our skincare, I'm just gonna add a little bit of lip balm and we are done, ready for the day. And if you are someone who loves to do their skincare at night, like jo pura detailed skincare hota hai, then you can definitely follow this at night also. This is amazing. This whole range is, I really like it. I've been using it like since last 3 weeks and I love the results, especially the toner. I'll be really honest, मैंने पहले कभी toner इतने like consistently use नहीं किया है, and now when I'm doing it, so I am seeing the difference. It actually tightens your pores and makes your skin look a bit younger. And last but not the least, if you want a clearer skin, if you want a smoother skin, you have to believe in it. You can use any product in the world, and if you still have those ugly thoughts that no, my skin is not beautiful or something like that, you will not have beautiful skin ever. So believe it in you that you have beautiful skin already, and all of this is just to, you know, enhance your beauty that you already have in you, and you'll have it, my friend. So believe it and it will come true for you. That's the last step in your skincare routine, and it's not a lie. This is how I maintain my skin. You can shop for Mamaearth and all these products. I'm going to mention everything in the link, and these are available on Mamaearth ka khud ka website. It's available on Amazon, Nykaa and all the popular websites. It's almost available everywhere. You can avail 20% discount using this code on Mamaearth's website. Let me know if you have used these products or if you plan to use these products. I hope that you will, because I really love these products. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.